Hello people of YouTube, Justin here from Microsoft Tech Support. Give me a minute please. Just doing a quick thing. Alright. Hello people of YouTube, I'm Justin from YouTube channel Microsoft Tech Support. Convenient name, I know. I'm so tired today. Oh my god, school sucks. This is my vlog for today. I would use my new iPhone for the vlog usually. By the way, jailbroken. Prove it. Prove it, I will slide. And it says slide for sex, by the way. Boom, it's got the Android lock. So, yeah. Today sucks because of school. Like, oh my god. Yes, I can talk without moving my mouth. How cool is that? LOL. If you're wondering what I was just doing on my phone, I was using a social network. Let me start that over. If you're gonna ask me what I was doing on my iPhone, I was on Kick. It's a social network for people who have smartphones such as Blackberries, iPhones, and Droid. So, you know, I'm gonna chat them up. You know, I got a smartphone. Now, Android lock is so annoying if you don't get it right. Just need to check something on it. Okay. Never mind that. I would usually do my vlog on my iPhone, but I don't have unlimited. For AT&T, they don't have unlimited. What's called unlimited data smartphone plan, which is unlimited. I can use the internet unlimited. Data refers to as internet. So I have a plan that lets me use 2 gigs of data a month. I had this for 10 days. My new billing cycle started today. For 10 days, I've had this. I've used a gig. Oh, it's all because of Cydia. I jailbroke it. I will not stop using it. All this Cydia. Holy shit, my bicep is getting really freaking big. Oh my god, I cannot stop this thing from growing. Holy crap. I'm so tired today. I'm sorry I didn't do a tech video yesterday. I probably won't be able to do one tonight, but that all depends on how the night goes. Yesterday I got the shitload of homework, like, really, a lot. It's very annoying. I'm supposed to be doing my homework now, actually, but I'm supposed to retype this fucking essay that my global teacher did not like, only because I didn't use 12-point font. I used like 24 points. See, look at that shit. I think those words are. Yes, I did on Stalin. Ugh, this light is too bright. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I'm gonna do this new thing also on my channel, where 5 days a week I do a new video every week. 1 week will be tech, 1 will be pivots, 1 will be funny. And Saturdays sometimes and Sundays sometimes will be videos of friends. As you notice, I hang out with a lot more kids now than ever. So, thanks to Smarty over here. I'm gonna tell you guys just for the hell of it because I'm bored. All the jailbroken apps I have Cydia. Cydia allows you to view jailbroken apps just like the Apple App Store, and allows you to download jailbroken apps that Apple normally doesn't allow. And now for the jailbroken apps I downloaded, Music. It's like a LimeWire on your iPhone. It's a peer-to-peer music, like sharing application that allows you to download music. And for 9 tries, it lets you transfer stuff from the application you downloaded to your iPhone. After 9 tries, you gotta pay for the rest. Winterboard, which allows you to install themes and lets you customize the phone to your own way with sounds, backgrounds, customized icons, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Install this allows you to install apps that would usually cost money from the App Store for free. Logo Me is supposed to change the boot logo on your phone, so instead of you turning it on and you see an apple, you see a choice of your own picture, but I never got it to work, so it's useless right now. Font Swap allows you to change the font of the alert, and everything else. Fake SMS allows you to create a fake conversation between you and a random person. My 4.0 allows you to use your phone as a hotspot or tether it. And tethering is a method on which it allows you to use your phone as either a modem or hotspot. And right now it allows 3 types, which is, the first type is a Wi-Fi hotspot, which you just turn it on and all it does is turn your phone into a router. So any device that usually requires a router or Wi-Fi for internet accessibility will be able to connect to your phone for it. USB tethering, which allows you to use your phone as a modem. All you have to do is enable the MyWi USB, plug it in your phone and the computer, and you can use this as a modem. And then Bluetooth, which basically allows you to use the Bluetooth from your phone and your computer as a modem too. Like another hotspot, but like if you have a desktop and you don't want to use the modem and you don't want to connect it, or you don't have a connector, just use the Bluetooth. Other apps I have. My 3G tricks my phone into thinking my 3G is Wi-Fi, so I can watch YouTube videos in much clearer quality. And for iPhone 4 users, it allows you to use FaceTime on 3G. Please note, if you do install this, use my 3G cracked, and to do that you need to go to Cydia, manage sources, edit, and add the repo sinful iPhonerepo.com and install my 3G cracked, because it only gives you a 10-day trial. And do not do this a lot, because since it uses your 3G, you might get overcharged on your data plan. An iFile allows you to go view your phone as a folder, and allows you to customize the folders in your own way. I use iFile to delete apps that Apple usually doesn't allow you to delete, like stocks and notes and stuff. I already deleted notes, stocks, all that other useless crap. And when you jailbreak an iPod, it normally will not allow you to download delete the jailbroken apps. All you do is go into iFile, find the folder, and then just go to it and just delete the folder. Restart the phone or respring it, and the app isn't there anymore. Wow, this is a long ass video. I love talking about tech. Oh, I forgot to talk about the other jailbroken stuff I have in my settings. I have Android Lock XT cracked. I have it cracked because the Android Lock and Android Lock XT does not work for my iOS, so I needed to use Android Lock XT. And the boot, like I said before, I use an app called Logo Me, which doesn't work. The way I jailbroke my phone, it installed an app called Boot Logo, so I get to download things from Cydia, and right now I use the Smoking Playboy boot as the boot logo, but I'm going to change it to the Android. I jailbroke mine with the method I showed you on how to use green poison. I will not use Jailbreak Me, because it relies on you downgrading the firmware. And as much as I know how to do this, I do not recommend this due to the fact it's very not looked upon on Apple. They really don't like you downgrading your firmware, because they try in the worst way to make it impossible for people to jailbreak their iPhone, because of how it goes beyond the limitations that Apple has put on the phone itself, just so you can't mod it to your liking. So what they do is they actually make new firmwares. They're working on one right now, I heard from a room, it's just an over-the-internet rumor that this firmware cannot be jailbroken. I've looked into it. It can be with Green Poison RC6. I will do a video on when 4.2.2 firmware comes out. Apple is really frowned upon this. jailbreaking. Like I said, downgrading allows. What do you do? What the reason why Apple will not allow you to downgrade is because it makes it more possible for you to jailbreak the phone. It pisses them off mainly because they're the manufacturers. They're the ones who made it, and they don't want you going beyond the limits of what they did because it will piss them off. It's the main reason. Another reason is, well, that's pretty much the main reason, but Apple doesn't want you jailbreaking it, so they put limitations. So there are websites you can download old firmware for your iDevice, but downgrading it is nearly impossible, close to impossible to do, because when you install new firmware, it contacts the Apple server. It will not let you downgrade. It will not let you downgrade because when you do, this is how you install firmware. Restoring. When you click restore, it deletes the current firmware and reinstalls a fresh copy of it. You can be running 3.1.0 right now. Just click upgrade, restore, and it will actually delete the firmware and reinstall it with the most updated one, which is 4.2.1 as of right now. And it only lets you upgrade right now, but there are ways to downgrade. Like, instead of clicking restore, you have to search for the IPSW file, which is the firmware file. It's called .ipsw. What it does is it's the operating system for the phone, iOS. It's just firmware IPSW. That's the version. So you can be 4.2.1 firmware iOS 3GS like mine. Let's say I have 4.2.2 and I want 4.2.1. I'm running an iOS at 3GS. In order for me to downgrade it to 4.2.1, I would have to either make a hidden proxy or change something in the host file, because when it contacts Apple server and they find you're downgrading, it puts your phone in recovery mode, and you will not have any access to it unless you restore it the right way and upgrade it. Unless you use a hidden proxy where Apple server cannot detect that you're downgrading it, it's nearly impossible. I've watched videos. I've done it for other people who wanted me to jailbreak before I found out about green poison. It's real heart attack to really jailbreak sometimes if there's not a method to do it at the time, like there wasn't so long ago for 4.2.1. For example, I'll talk about this in the next video. Please click on the next video. Thank you.